Welcome to the online podcast series for the UNESCO Inclusive Policy Lab. The Lab is UNESCO's global online platform for crowdsourcing the latest knowledge and expertise on inclusive policies, with over 1,600 policymakers, researchers, and social actors discussing the most pressing issues in inclusive development. We're in conversation with Dr. Balázs Horvath, Chief Economist for UNDP in Asia and the Pacific. Welcome, Dr. Horvath. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you very much for the invitation. It's a pleasure to be here.
So our discussion today is about connecting the dots between inequality, COVID-19, and the path to recovery. That is, a more equitable recovery. Now, data has been strong in showing that we are vastly unequal in the face of this virus, and maybe even more so in the face of the control measures. The lockdown and its aftermath are expected to hit us hard, especially for those who are on the losing end of our economies and our current systems. Now, Dr. Horvath, you have said that the recovery plans should rebalance inequalities and should come as a serious policy shift to rebuild and reimagine a new social contract. So what is the policy pathway that you would recommend for that? What are the sort of key and concrete policy measures that you think are required for an equitable and inclusive recovery?
Let me start with a couple of quick points to set the stage, because this will be very important for understanding why I said the things that I said. Let's start with the pre-COVID-19 situation. The world and the Asia Pacific in particular were on an unsustainable development path. They were also highly integrated, all the countries of the world. Inequality within countries has reached very high, at times corrosive levels. And at least in Asia Pacific, social safety nets have actually missed the majority of the vulnerable people. Then what happened was that we have encountered a high impact twin set of crises, a health crisis and close on the heels of that, owing to the social distancing measures, an economic crisis. A key characteristic of these crises are that they are global. They affect all countries in the world very closely